quote me.
Hi everyone, just wanted to share with you this cake that I've created for a special little girl. So it's a 2-tiers cake. The bottom one is a blue vanilla cream and the top is a chocolate mud cake. So here we've got a marshmallow fondant covering both the cakes. We've got all the families at the front and I've used buttercream to help glue them down so they're all edible. Use some marshmallow fondant flowers to help decorate them. So I made the colour from dark to light. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed that and I'll see you next time. Bye.